What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Monday morning here, taking a look at the NASDAQ. Grinding up right now. It's basically been grinding up about 700 points here since 10:15 a.m. Coming back up to some resistance, some levels that I did have. We did break the high from Friday, coming back into the 9 on the daily as well. Coming into that weekly low as well here. So let's see what plays out for us today. Might try things a little differently here today, but let's see if we can get a good setup. We'll see you guys in the first trade.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take one short here. One MNQ. I like this area that we're in. I do want to get into a short position here.
Order filled.
Grab a second one there. $150 risk on this. Mainly watching. I mean, we're coming up to this weekly low here. If we look at the daily or even the 4-hour here, it's definitely a important level. Low here, resistance here, breakdown, resistance. We're coming back up to it again, and it's also, we did break the high from Friday, so looking for some downside off this level after we've basically been grinding up here all morning. So see if we can get a move back down potentially into the 700s here after pushing up. So that's basically what I'm looking for. Went to MNQ, see if we can get a couple contracts here so we can have a little bit more risk, but a bit wider a stop for us here. See if we can get some more contracts. Want to see how this sets up for us here. Put this to a 5-minute. We are in an uptrend. I am going against the trend here, but I'm willing to put on risk at this level to see if we can reject off this. Five-minute, I like that.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add one on that as well. We'll see how this plays out for us here if we just keep grinding, which is very possible. Or if we will reject in this area here. See if they have enough strength to keep pushing higher off this. Or an add a contract.
Order filled.
Add one more to that there. It's probably gonna be max position there. We'll give it to 31.5. We'll see. We'll see if this uptrend continues. It's very, very possible here, but I do want to try this level here. Want to try this for the potential turnaround. Might get stopped out right here. We'll see if they push through.
Order filled.
Yeah, tagged out on that. It's all right. I wanted to try it. I'm okay with that trade. More just the area that we're in, looking for rejection. We'll see what they end up doing here. I mean, massive 4-hour candle. The range on this is crazy here. 700 points. Yeah, I was really looking for it to reject in this area. We'll see. I mean, very well could come up here and then reject, you know, in this area here. We'll see how that ends up playing out. We have the open here of this candle, 969. Put the level there. You know, that's the open of this candle as well. We may very well just trade up into that. You know, I was looking at the low of this here at 922. There's this rough kind of range here, potentially. Of course, we get stopped out right there. I mean, we'll see. Might just keep trending up. And then we did break the high of yesterday or Friday, which is 893.75. So broke that, came back above it, and then looking for people still trying to catch this long, and then the potential downside move there. We may have room up to 69 here. Take a look at the 5-minute, 15-minute candle, gonna open in about 4 minutes, so we'll probably wait for that. We'll see. Maybe we just try and get on the long train here and then ride this to 69 or so, maybe up to 30k. We'll see how this plays out. We'll see you guys on the next trade.
Order filled.
Okay, grab 3 MNQ there. Coming in on this retest. See if we have enough to come down to my other order at 29.75 for 2 more. See, initial buy up off that level. See, I put a stop market buy, put it over 950 here. If we go green on this, start pushing higher. We'll add a couple more contracts. We'll watch, see how it reacts around this 969 level. Potentially though, looking to target near 30k for this. See what happens, see how this plays out.
Order filled.
There you go, we're tagged in there, other 2. Put our stop in there. Do 5-minute and let's see if we can get some momentum off this here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take off 1 there.
Order filled.
Got our second one out there. And right on that. Put our stop in profit here. And we opened right on that level. Don't want to see this thing just get pushed all the way back down here. See if we can flip green and just go through this. Figured it was better just to join the trend here. We got out 2 at 16. I do want to see with this momentum here if we can just push through this, maybe get towards 30k and then end up coming back under. Let's see, there's that flip green. This is pretty big here. We might get a strong push through this. We can get over that. Up to a 1 minute there. There we go. There's some momentum coming in. Move stop up on this.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
take off one more there. Move stop up there. We'll let the last two ride to see if we can get that 30K target. Hello.
Order filled.
Take off one there.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
take it off. That's a pretty strong move right there. 30 points on that 1 minute candle. Not bad. Not bad, all things considered. Probably, yeah, would have hit it right there. We barely missed my, yeah, by half a point. We'll see what they do here at 30K. Wouldn't surprise me to see some sort of rejection come back down here and then potentially go through. Yeah, this look at these green 15-minute candles. I mean, that's just crazy. Yeah, not trying to call tops and bottoms here. We did try on that first trade at that level. If it worked, it would have been sick. It didn't work. We're in this strong uptrend. That's fine. Put on risk for it. This one did work, getting with the trend, finding a long entry, and then looking for that psychological hold number at 30K. I'm okay with that. We're up 167, not a ton. I'm probably done here, just time of day. And I'm gonna look to start earlier here tomorrow and during the week. I'm starting too late, and I think that's more prone to getting chopped out. I was trying to avoid the open rush and just getting wicked out on things, but I think we should probably move back to that, as I do trade more similarly to that at the 6 o'clock Globex open. So yeah, we're gonna start trading earlier here, potentially waiting until 10, looking for that potential reversal at 10:30, 10:15 time of day. But we'll see how that plays out for us here. We're going to start Monday green. We're going to end it at 167 on the day. Hope you guys traded well. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.